Welcome in, welcome in, welcome to another Broly Pools premiere. Let's have some fun today, guys. Haven't done premiere in a long time, so I can't wait to do this one. I will be opening the Annihilate EX box, the Costco Tins bundle, and the Sam's Club Lucario and Tyranitar Heavy Hitter Premium Collection box, guys. Can't wait. Let's get started. As you guys know it, I'm Broly Pools. Welcome to the Pool Zone, and let's get started. Alright guys, so let's start with the Annihilate collection box first. I kind of messed up. I recorded myself and I put myself on mute. Okay, it's been a long time, alright guys. I took a little bit of time off, and it happens. Alright, so basically I took the packs out. And there we go. So the pack selection are, we got Scarlet and Violet, 2 Paldeas, and a Lost Origin. Alright guys, so what I did differently with these packs or box, I toss a box in the microwave first, and then so these are the promos, and then I toss them in rice. I was told that you can actually get good hits by doing that. Forgot where I heard it from, but let's hope it works here. Let's go. Let's start with the you know what? Let's start with the Scarlet and Violet base. Let's see if we can pull some heat. Alright, here we go, guys. Here we go. Our first pack in. Code card for the Code Card Sniper, and off we go. Come on. Here we go. Wiglet. Breedwart. Can we get fire today, guys? Can we pull? What is it? Nothing there. Tarantula. And a Houndstone. Well, can we pull fire? That's what I meant, but nothing there. Alright, so off to the next one, I guess. There we go. Paldea Evolve. Come on. Let's get it. Goodness. Here we go. Code card for the Code Card Snipers. 4 to the front and go straight to the hit. Here we go. Nothing there. Catbolt. Alright, we got a hit. Hey! We got the Toucan Sam Quackabilly EX. Not too shabby. I'll take it, guys. I will take it. It is a hit. Let's toss it here. We'll top load that later. And here we go. Another second pack. Second pack of Paldea Evolve. Here we go. Code card for the Code Card Sniper. Go straight to the hit here. Here we go. Combo. Come on. Come on. Oh, nothing there. Combi. And alright, so we got one hit so far. Bass Caliber. Whatever that Pokemon name is. Alright, so Lost Origin. Can we pull the Tina? So far we got one hit from this box. I have gotten one hit on these box for those other 4 or 5 boxes as well. Haven't had much luck. Haven't had more than one hit. So can we change it today, guys? Can we pull the Tina? Altard, here we go. Come on, Tina. Zorua, Paris, Inkay, Reverse Trevenant. Here it comes. Here comes the Tina, guys. Here it comes. I lied. Close. It's close. Close. I mean, it does fly, right? Not a Tina. Alright. So, next up, Costco Tins. Costco Tins, this were on sale for $19.99. Go check them out. I have pulled an old art from here. So here we go. I also tossed this one in the microwave as well. Then in rice. So let's get it. Let's chop this up and let's see what packs are in there. Alright, here we go. Bam! Bam! Just like that, guys. It happens just like that. Easy peasy. It only works when I'm doing premiere, okay guys? I can't do this live at all for some reason. Only happens in premiere. Just so you guys know, the magic only happens in premiere. Here we go. Let's see the pack selection here. Oh, we got a code card for the Code Card Sniper. Here we go. We got 2 Silver Tempest, 2 Astral Radiance, Fusion Strike, and from that, mini tins or the Pikachu we got Silver Tempest and the Lost Origin. Alright, so let's start with the Astral Radiance. And then 2 Astral Radiance packs. And then we'll go off to the Fusion Strike. Here we go. Come on, we got Psyduck. With that Drifloon. Here we go. Sudowoodo. Magnemite. Whoops. Magnemite. Bro. Rock Sand Reverse. And, hey, we got a hit. Hey, let's go. A Wyrdeer. It's a hit. Nothing crazy, but it is a hit, guys. Alright, here we go. Another Astral Radiance. Can we pull an alt art from here? So far, I pulled 1 full art and 1 alt art from my last 2 bundles. So let's see if we can pull another alt art from here. Here we go. Whoops. We got Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. Sorry. Same thing, right? Hey, look at that! We got the Adaman Rainbow Secret Rare. Let's go. I'll take that. Not bad. Not bad at all. 10 is looking good right now. 10 is looking good. Alright, here we go. Fusion Strike. What do I need from Fusion Strike? Nothing. Nothing, but I'll take any alt art from here. You guys know that. Meowth. Onyx. Chudo. Nom, and womp womp womp. Nothing there, guys. Nothing too crazy. Here we go. Code cards for the Code Card Snipers. Alright, Silver Tempest. Where's my Lugia at? Lugia alt art incoming, fam. Here we go. Let's call it. Here we go. Come on. Lugia alt art. Here we go. Can we get a Smeargle? Litten. We got a Petalil. Bikini and definitely not a Lugia. Okay, it's in this one. I was lying to you. It is going to be in this pack. Lugia pack art. I am pretty sure it's gonna come in this pack. Here we go. It's coming, guys. Here we go. Clench yourself. Clench and squint. Always works. Here we go. Hey, Rockruff. See what I'm saying? We got a hit. Is it a double bubble? Oh, it is a double bubble. Hey, a Regidrago V-Star double banger. Hey, clench and squint works all the time, fam. Sheesh. I'll take it. Wow, that's a lot of hits. That's a lot of hits for this bundle packs. All right, here we go. Our last bundle, we got an alt art. Only one hit, but at least it's an alt art. Can we get an alt art from here? Here we go. Relicanth, Sandygast, Reverse Wailord, and womp womp womp. That's not gonna do it. That's not gonna do it. Lost Origin. Let's pull that alt art Tina before we go to the Sam's Club. Lucario and Pitar. Premium, a heavy hitter premium collection box. Hopefully we can pull some fire off of that as well. Here we go. Ducklet, Spectaria Reverse, and a Hollow Goodra. Hollow Goodra. Really? Hollow Goodra? I'm a hit? Boom. Alright, as you guys know it, go grab that heavy hitter real quick. I'll be right back. And I'm back. Holy moly, this thing will not fit on screen, guys. So let me go full screen. There we go. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Here we go. So let's see what the pack selection are, guys. As you guys know it, I'm gonna have to do a karate chop, and you'll see those packs will lay right here. Are you guys ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, chop, bam! Sheesh! That's pretty easy, right, guys? Man, that was pretty easy. So here are the promos. I like the T-Tar. To be honest, I like this T-Tar. I may grade it. How's the back look? Yo, back looks amazing. So let's put that here. Alright, so pack selection, we got Vivid Voltage. 1 Vivid Voltage. We got 4 Tempest. Silver Tempest. Let me see here. We got 4 Lost Origin. Not bad. Not bad at all. And 3 Chillin' Rain. AKA Chillin' Pain. And 2 Evil Skies. The 2 best packed art you will want. And off we go. Here we go. Let's start with Vivid Voltage. So far, I have not pulled that Rainbow Chunkachu. Is it possible to pull it today? Can we pull that Rainbow Chunkachu today? Here we go. Come on. Come on, boys. Here we go. Panico. And guess not. It won't be today. It won't be ever. I don't rip enough Vivid Voltage to actually pull that Pika. There's no alt art in Vivid Voltage, man. You can't hate me for that. All right, guys. Here we go. Come on, Silver Tempest. Can we pull the Lugia V alt art? Here we go. No, we cannot. Not in this pack. Definitely will be in the next pack for sure. Here we go. Second pack Magic. I can feel it in my bones, guys. This one has the Lugia alt art. Can you guys feel it? Here we go. Come on, Lugia alt art. Here we go. Spin Rack. Build them. Flogump. Losis. Reapy Reverse. And Verizon Wireless. Verizon Wireless. Man, that's a lot of hype for nothing. Here we go. Third pack. Can it be third pack Magic? It has to be third pack Magic. Come on. We have to get an alt. From this box, it is a $40 box. After tax, close to $45. Here in California, pretty sad. Yo! Let's go! Professor Burnett. Yo, I'll take that. Waifu. Not a double bubble. But man, I would take that all day. Sheesh. We'll take that. Can't put that in the Manfu Monday. But you know, I can use it for Waifu Wednesday, right? I think that's what was discussed last time. Couldn't remember. Y'all have to correct me if I'm correct or not. Here we go. Litten. Murkrow. Come on. Here we go. Lugia alt art incoming. Hey, we got a Simeon Trainer Gallery. It's a double bubble. Not a double bubble. Man. Double bubble. I'll take it. Doesn't matter. Here we go. Lost Origin. We wanted the Tina anyways. Lugia V alt art is overrated. We wanted the Tina. Tina alt art is what we're chasing for, right guys? Here we go. Tina alt art incoming. PSA 10. Can we get it? Here we go. Next pack. Next pack. Next pack is the Tina. Here we go. Tina alt art. Next pack. This pack right here contain the Tina alt art. Here we go. Clefairy, Lickitung, Horsey. Here we go. Can you guys feel it, guys? It has to be in here. Come on, Mr. Mime. Here we go. Oh! Yo! Is it here? Guys, can we pull the Tina today? No. We got the Electro V, full art. What a troll. What a troll. What a troll. Alright, Tina has to be in this pack. Has to be in this pack. Come on. Come on, here we go. Man, I thought that was the Tina. Here we go. Love this. Bolo. Reverse and fair enough. On holo. Oh. Come on, right here. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, Tina. Come on. Tina is in here. I can feel it. Here we go. I can feel it this time. Here we go. Come on. Alt Art Tina incoming. Can you guys feel it, guys? Here we go. Horsey. Reverse Metachamp. And Karen V. Definitely not a Tina. Man, a lot of hits here. But no Tina. Oh, we don't. We're not here for the Tina. Y'all know that. We're here for the Fire Chicken. Y'all got tricked, huh? We're here for the Fire Chicken, guys. The Blaziken V Altart is the chase. Here we go. That's what we want from this box. Come on. Can we get it? Sobble. And you know what? Every time you see a Sobble in a Chillin' Reign packs, it's gonna be a no-hitter. Guaranteed. Look. See what I'm saying? Every time you see a Sobble, it's a sign to cry, dude. It's a sad pack. I'm telling you. Don't believe me? Go rip some Chillin' Reign and you'll see. You'll see what I mean. Here we go. Second pack magic. No Sobble, please. Here we go. Come on. Delibird. Heracross. Mareep. Delibird reverse. And next pack. Has to be in this one right here. Come on. Come on. Fire Chicken. Here we go. Here we go. He is definitely in here. Come on. Grookey. Bunny. Peony reverse. And I lied. We're not here for the Fire Chicken. I lied. You know what we're here for. Umbreon, VMAX, Altart, aka Moon Bunny, aka Moonbreon. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Let's go with this pack art first, just in case we pull the Ray VMAX Altart, which also a nice Altart. I'm gonna lie. I would love to have a second one. Here we go. Got a Pika, Tentacool, Fletchling, Hitmonchan, Hoppip, reverse, Gourgeist, and here we go. Hollow Moltres. Is that even a hit? You guys call that a hit? Hollow hit. Alright, here we go. Evil Skies, last pack magic, Umbreon, pack art. There's an Umbi in this pack, guys. Alt Art, Umbi, VMAX. Here we go. AKA Moon Bunny, AKA Moonbreon. Grass Energy Gang. Here we go. Good start already. Come on. Here it comes, guys. Can you guys feel it? Y'all know what to do. Clench and squint, guys. Here we go. Are you ready? Let's move it up close so you can see it. Here we go. Come on. Chinchou. Reverse. Appleton. We'll toss this one. I don't care if it's a reverse. And we'll toss both. Not much there. Alright, so let's go over the hits. Oh my goodness. We got a Hollow Moltres, Karen V, Electro V, Full Art, Simeon Trainer Gallery. We got Professor Burnett. We got Rockruff. We got Regidrago V-Star. Not too shabby. The hits are there. We got Adaman, Rainbow, Secret Rare, Weirdeer V, and the Guacabilly EX. Not too shabby. Bam Bam. As you guys know it, that was fun. I should do more Premiere, guys. It was fun. Definitely fun. Can't wait. I will be back in a few days. Just wait on the make sure you guys just click and smash that notification, fam. Smash it like you never smashed anything before. When I'll be back, it's gonna be fire. I got something planned. Here we go. Good night. Night right now? It is night right now. As you can tell, it's dark. Much love from Broly Pools. Let me stop the ranting. Much love from Broly Pools. Peace out, fam. Happy pooling. And later.